Make the viral hot honey beef bowl with me.
Efforts have been for nothing. Susan was stubborn and couldn't be blocked. After a while, she started paying. He said nothing. She simply brought the boiling water and put.
Finally, moment of truth. Cottage cheese, avo, sweet potato mince, and I'm just gonna squirt this on. So, just for fun. Wow, that honey's so nice. Oh yeah. Hello. This is so good. I'm looking forward to having this for my lunch tomorrow. You guys gotta try it.